We're back, guys. All right, it's time to continue. Let the race begin. Okay, guys, let's speak in Chinese again. Di kwatyo ya tue kwe chela imila higetia si angxia kap langxia in long tong. Ow! Stupid truck! Why did I jump off the truck? Kanatia! Kanawa chongania! You been bang yakin imila. Oh! That is your consequence. You haven't forget. Oh, thank you. Oh, what the fuck? Stupid. Now I must remember what to do. Here. I'll stay here now for safe. Yo, Kurt, this way, faster. We gotta move fast. I can't be late. This way, this way. Oh no, not this area. I'll stay here. Normally dapat I'm supposed to stay on the right lane. But because it's mirror, we're gonna go to the left. Oh no, stupid car. Oh no, 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 no. Ah, thank you, Lord. I'm safe now. Lap 2. Oh my god, all the cars are getting chaotic. Yeah, Bokwaila, Inong Chong si, ano yun, Wei Chong Nye Rules na. No, what the F? Stupid truck. No, 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 stupid. Hey, what the fuck? I just got distracted on thanks to the blue car that's on. Stupid. Yo, Auntie Arian, what are you doing there, you asshole? You're supposed to be doing something, you moron. I know what to do. I need to manifest my escape. Nano, nano, nano. Woo! Woo! Nano, 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 nano. Woo! Woo! Oh, stupid truck! You will never defeat me now. That's why you violate all the traffic laws. Utay mo, wala ka alam. Anyway, time for the final lap. Oh! Stupid! I didn't even see the blue car, you asshole! You just wasted my stupid car. Can't you see I'm already in a rush? I can't have time to waste because I need to get to the finish line first just before all the other racers do it. Come on, let's make it fast. Faster, 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 faster. It's time to hit the fast track. Let's try it this way. Oh no, stupid car. So stupid. The other cars don't even know how to manifest it. But because of that, whoa! Look at my church pastor now. What happened to him? Why is he 12? Oh, that's great. At least it's good to see him still manifesting the second place. Keep that up. Stupid traffic laws. I'm sorry we were not able to do the intro, but now let's do the intro right now. Oh, hi guys. How was your commercial break? It's good that we're back. And now it's time for the hard races. You know, a while ago, we've already done the medium races and then down to the easy, and now we're down to the hard races where everything's so chaotic, finicky, wild, rowdy, and you know the rest, brother. So tell me, Brother Raynon, how was your commercial break? Commercial break. Do you know what you ate during the break? I ate this. I ate my noodle soup. You want to see? It's right here. Here's the bowl of noodles inside a creamy broth. Mmm, so yummy. Who wants this anyway? So yeah, a while ago I just showed you the pack, but now this is the real thing. So yummy. And if you want to see the creamy broth, it's right over here. See this pot? Filled with all the cream inside? That's the broth, as you can see here. So creamy. Look at it. Yeah. It's so creamy just because of the cheese he put on it. So yeah. Wait, where did I put the toy? And that's what I ate during the break. Noodles! And at the same time, I will never forget my breadsticks. Dasha! Oh, how about you, Kuya Boy Apunda? Or, oh, hi! I forgot to mention Kuya Kim. Ano na? Kuya Waki, Kuya Bayani, Kuya Long. Ano yung kinain mo sa commercial break? Alam mo kinain ko na yun? Ang kinain ko na yun ay lumpia. Lumpia! Oh, syempre naman, ang nyahan ko ay si Kuya Long. Dahil ang nyahan ko ay si Kuya Long, syempre kumain naman ng lumpiang Shanghai, lumpiang toge, dahil mahaba ako. Oh, syempre Kuya Long, ikaw talaga yung matakaw. Ako naman, alam mo yung kinain ko? Eddie, egg siomai. Egg siomai? Grabe ka naman natin, Eggy. Grabe ka naman, bakit mo yun akong tawa? Anyway, speaking about tawa, we're gonna do that later. So anyway, so now we've already done the easy races, the medium races, and now this is the real challenge, the hard races, to prove yourself that you are a fast racer, especially for my church pastor, Brother Jojo, Brother Raynan, Brother Ricky, Brother Brian, as you can see right here. But since he's still going to be my fast racer until now, how about I will let him choose the next race? Go, Brother Paul, it's all yours, choose the next race. Tasha! And here we are. On to our next race. Kuya Kim, nasaan na tayo? Kuya Kim, ano na? Kuya Kim, ano na? Alam mo ba dito na tayo sa isang bundok? Alam mo yung isang bundok ay kuya mo na lang magudlat. Ano naman yung mga ganyan na yan? I'm thinking that na. Tama sa manila. Gusto mo mag-career? Tara na, mag-career na kayo. It's gonna be so quiet. Going on. I just don't know what the other races are doing. Sorry I was not talking a while ago because I was saving the soup. It was very delicious. Sorry. But I don't want the soup anymore. I'm already good. Okay na ako? Oh my god. No, please, no. I'm having a quiet race. Dang it. And now I'm already forgetting what to do. This is already hard. I forgot. Because normally I still remember what to do, but now I forgot already because I've never played this. Oh my goodness. I hate hitting the wall. Never mind. No, please stop. No, what the F? Oh no, here comes trouble. The other racers are bound to come and they're gonna sabotage stuff like stupid. Watch out because that Mega Smasher is here to get you. Yeah! Stupid Trump. Never mind. Come on, Auntie Bernice, we're almost there. The faster the better. I'm on the way. Yahoo! Peace and quiet. What else do you notice? What the heck? Oh no, here comes Stinks. That's perfect, so that I can ace the third jump no matter what. What the hell? Stupid bump! Who the hell put that bump there? That's not supposed to happen! What the fuck? Now what? Here comes a star power? Legit, so insane. Come on, Kurt, come on, Ralph. Not Ralph De Leon, but Ralph Besito the third. Or Kian. Gian, oh, not your defense mechanism. Yes! Yeah! Defense mechanism, I have it on the run. But too bad that Ate Clark's already on the lead, and there's no way I can beat her now. No, what the fuck? That was a fucking legit close one. I nearly fell to the edge of the road. But safe and sound. Okay, so how many more points do I need to get 300? So 14 plus 100, 114, and 114, we have 8 more races. So I just need... What map are we now? 23, diba? Yeah, we're now on map number 23. So... Plus 114... Yeah, I think maybe that will still work, but I'm not so sure. It may not be certain that I'm gonna win first place anymore, but it's alright, because it's time for the next race. It may be alright though that I may not be able to win though, because I think I already forgot how to play the normal races. Because last time I always played the mirror races, but now I already forgot. But the good news is, I'm very proud of my church pastor, who is already improving more than ever. Right, Brother Raynan? Tasha! Yup, Kuya Kim, ano na? Kuya Long, Kuya Bayani, Aga Bayani, just keep this up. Because if you can keep this up, you can be a fast racer and win the race. Tasha! Yup, just remember, the game, oh my gosh. Just remember, the game is still on, and we still got some exciting episodes that are bound to come. And it's time for our next race. Before that, I remember I asked Ate Negi, what are we gonna do? And di ba remember sabi ni Ate Negi, what she ate during the commercial break is? O alam mo ba, huwag na tayo makalimutan ang toko at baboy. Eh kasi ang toko at baboy ay maging mataba ka. Kung magpapayat ka, eh kumain ka ng toko ang baka. Grabe naman Ate Negi. Saan mo ginawa yung joke na yan? And if Kuya Alden were here, oh, ano Ate Negi? Paano mo ginawa yung joke na yan? Siyempre, Kuya Lu, yun ang kinain ko sa commercial break. Ang kinain ko sa commercial break ay isang tokwat baboy na pansit at isang tokwang baka na kaldereta. Tokwat baka ng kaldereta? Ano yan? At dahil nakatawa talaga yung joke na yan, anong sabihin mo mga bata? More tawa mo saya! Hey, tutot! 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 More tawa mo saya! Hey, tutot! 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 More tawa mo saya! Hey! Pew! Grabe naman! Anyways, so let's continue with what I'm saying. So, I just want to ask my other friends. So, aside from Kuya Long, Ate Negi, Ate Bernice, Ate Arian, Ate Cass, Brother Raynan, Brother Ricky, Brother Brian, Brother Erwin, at least they already told me about their food. How about you, Kian? Don't! What did you eat during the break, Kian? Don't! Oh, prawn crackers! Sounds pretty good to me. That's good, Kian. And I almost forgot. What about the baby girls? What do they eat during the break?
Babies, you know what we ate during the break? We ate cake. Yummy cake. Baby love the cake. Yummy.
Yup, that sure was good. How about you, Rob De Leon? Or Michael Sager? Or River Joseph? Or, what's your name? Or Josh Ford? Oh, yeah. I ate noodle soup, but it's a bit spicy. Yeah, we're the same. I also ate noodle soup too. You want to see my noodle soup? Here it is. Here. Here's the noodle soup. Oh yeah, that's perfect for me. Ah, yum 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 yum. Yummy. Yup, that's boring noodle soup. Oh, thank you. That's perfect for me. I'm gonna eat this and spend my time reading boring newspapers. Thank you for the boring noodles. That is what I love to eat. Thank you. Anyways, and now it's time for Kuya Alden to choose the race. Before that, Kuya Alden, Kuya Luis, Kuya Billy, Kuya Dong, anong kinain mo during the break? Oh, syempre. Kumain ako ng masarap. Masarap na manghang. Masarap na manghang na what? Okay, ganito. Mag-family view tayo. Da-da-da! Steve Harvey. Okay. Fill in the blank. Manghang na blank. Yes, Kuya Long. Manghang na sinigang. Manghang na sinigang. Sorry, I said. Uy. Ikaw naman, Ate Marian. Fill in the blank. Oh yeah, I forgot. Ate Marian Rivera. Kalimutan ko. Sayang. Okay, Ate Marian, Miss Marian. Manghang na what? Manghang na chicharon. Oh. Wow! Good answer! Wait. Good answer! Manghang na chicharon! Yay! Marian, pass or play? Play! Eh, syempre, speaking about play, eto na talaga kung saan tayo maglaro. Dito tayo sa... Ito na tayo, Kapamilya! Rainbow! Rumble! Rumble! Winners cross experience! Rainbow Rumble! Tara na! Dito na tayo sa Rainbow Roll! Oh my goodness! Wish me luck! This is so tough! 1, let's go! I must remember where the first speed booster is. Normally when I play this game, it's always to the left, but now it's to the right, left, and then from there turn. No! Fuck! Stupid! Now Ate Marian Osabel is already coming. Now what do we do now? Oh yeah, this way. And then we fly up in the air. And then what do we do now? Okay, now we're already here. I just already forgot now what to do, damn it. Now I'm already here. Center! Whee! I'm on the flight. Oh! Fuck! Huwag kang tumawa sa akin, nakalimutan na ako, mga buwisit kayo, mga bobo kayo. Ayan, tapos pag dito ako, ang kailangan kong gagawin ay turn right. Tapos turn left. Ngayon, iba na. Kaya nakamir na kami iba na talaga. In fairness, it's good to go back to how I raced when I was a kid. Because I remember when I was a kid, ito talaga. Uy, gago! Blue shell na agad! Sayang, di ba ako naging first place eh. Kuya Alden, slow down! Kuya Chits, do something! Ano ba yung kailangan mong gawin? Kung kailangan ka manalo! Come on! No way, Kokoy de Santos, there's no... Mr. Ben! Utahin na mo! Gago ka, Raven, wala kang kwenta-kwenta! Tayo mo sana dapat wala ka dito, wala ka alam! May ka, Raven! Wala akong pan sa inyo! Gago ka! Gago kasi! Teacher Joy, si Raven, nagmura na naman! Hindi ako nagmura! Tayo mo, wala ka alam! Bali na talaga. Anyway, this way. Yes! Yeah! No. Stupid red shell, it just got deflected. But luckily I still made it quickly. Now if a blue shell were to come, unless I'm going topsy-turvy, that's when I need it. LOL! How will I need the blue shell right? How will I need my defense mechanism against that blue shell when I'm there? Because I'm already in the tunnel. In the secret tunnel pala. So therefore I can't use that right now. Which one? This way! Up! Whee! Come on, Kurt, there's no way that you're gonna catch me now. Yeah! This way! No. One last stop, everybody! Tandaan mo kung saan yung speed booster. O yan! Kailangan ko na to, mga bobo kayo! Yeah! Mga bobo kayo, mga pusit kayo, wala kaya. Tapos may defense mechanism pa ako. Para sa red shell na yan, mga pusit kayo. Uy, gago, ano to? Is ano? Yes! Right! Uy! Anong boses yan? Whoa, what the fuck? No, what the? Ay, salamat ako. Thank you. Somebody stop me! Thank you. You may never know if I'm going topsy-turvy, but for as long as I can still continue on the run. Bilisan mo kasi mga puwisit kayo. Uy, gago, hindi ka... Never mind. At least what is important, I'm still on the frickin'... Where will I go? Dito na. Dito na ako. Uy, Ate Marian, grabe ka naman. No! Shit! I was trying to ace the speed booster, but... Oh no, I can't let that Kian win. I can't let that John Clifford win. I can't let that Sean win. I can't let that Lucas win. Or that JC, or the Jim, or the JB. Yes! Oy, mga bobo kayo, wala kayang... What the fuck? What happened to my church pastor? He's supposed to be my fast racer. Now what's going on with my church pastor the last set? Ay, nako. Iba na talaga. Si Kuya Bayani. Tapos si Kuya... Wow, galing. At least naman in fairness, he's still trying his best to catch up. Hindi galing. Nyahahaha! Dahil panalo ako, eto na yung inumin ko! Mga soft drinks kayo! Nyahahaha! Inom na! Ay, sarap! Nye! Akin na yan! Uy, gago ka! Akin to, diba? Hindi ka, tumahimik ka. Oh! Nyahahaha! Akin na to, Rafi! Gusto mo to? Gusto mo to? Eto na. Oh! Hey! I need back! Oh! Hey! Ruben! Kailangan ko. Oh. What the? Hoy! Gago ka, Ruben! Akin to, ah! Putay mo, wala ka lang! Umalis ka na dito, tayo mo! Hindi ka kaya! Umalis ka na dito, putay mo, wala ka lang!